Alright, video lovers, this is the table. I've completely washed it, sanded and removed all of the marks. I've been very actually happy with what's happened. I've also ironed down the area where there was a slight bubble. I didn't record that in the video because it's a little bit difficult to do. But now what I'm doing is I'm putting the finish on this. And this table will look really nice with Danish oil on it. For my purposes of protection, I will probably put a polyurethane over the Danish oil at a later date. But I know you all like to see the reveal moment. So without any further hesitation, this is the Danish oil. And when you put it on the wood, you have this beautiful, beautiful colour that comes up. Now there's a bit of an odour to this and you've got to be really careful. Sometimes the rags that you leave on the ground actually have the ability to self-combust. And it's really important that you put these into a bucket of water or immediately dispose them. I actually think a bucket of water is a great way of doing it. So you can see the top of my head here, but I'm just going to completely douse this with Danish oil. And you don't have to be too accurate because oil actually finds its own way through, and it'll need a couple of coats, and I'll give a very, very fine sand between the coats, and that'll bring it right up together. But you can see this table, from being very badly watermarked, has now completely been revamped, and it looks beautiful. And I'm really, really pleased with it. A couple more coats of the Danish oil, a bit more sanding in between, and we'll have a beautiful restored table which was previously worth $71 on eBay in an open auction, and I managed to buy it. And I know what to do, and as a result, we now have a very, very nice table. Please like and share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please send me a note. Thanks for your time and have a great day.